Before we start with this inspiring video about the amazing benefit of spending time in nature, please take a moment and sit down. Let your body totally relax and visualize the following situation in your mind. In nature's embrace, where whispers of leaves dance with the breeze in the sun-dappled trees, each step is a melody, soft and serene. On paths where the earth and the heavens convene, the air, sweet and pure, like a lover's warm kiss, carries sense of the wild, a bouquet of bliss. Birdsong enchants with a symphony rare, a harmony woven with no human care. Sunlight spills gold on the emerald ground, where shadows of branches and patterns are found. Flowers bloom bright in a riotous cheer, their colors a testament to all we hold dear. Each moment a wonder, each sight a new tale. In nature's vast kingdom where dreams set sail, a walk in the wild where our spirits feel free is a journey to peace in pure harmony. Hello everyone and welcome back to Better Life, your YouTube channel to improve your finance, health, work, life balance, finding your passion and purpose in life, and overall well-being. Spending time in nature has long been revered for its restorative benefits, both physical and mental. In recent years, a growing body of research has underscored the significant psychological benefits of immersing oneself in the natural environment. These benefits range from reduced stress and improved mood to enhanced cognitive functioning and deeper social connections. This exploration into the psychological advantages of nature interaction provides insights into why natural settings are vital for mental health and overall well-being. Number 1. Reduction of stress. One of the most profound benefits of spending time in nature is the reduction of stress. Natural settings have been shown to lower cortisol levels, a hormone associated with stress, and improve feelings of relaxation and well-being. Studies suggest that even short durations in a green environment can decrease both self-reported stress and physiological markers such as heart rate and blood pressure. The sight and sounds of nature, such as the rustling leaves, the chirping of birds, and the flow of water, engage our parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Number 2. Enhancement of mood. Exposure to nature not only reduces stress, but also enhances overall mood. Research indicates that walking in nature can lead to a decrease in negative emotions and an increase in positive mood when compared to walking in urban environments. This mood improvement is linked to the natural aesthetic of green spaces, which provides a calming and uplifting effect. Furthermore, sunlight exposure during outdoor activities increases serotonin levels, a chemical in the brain associated with mood elevation. This natural boost in mood can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from mood disorders like depression. Before we proceed, in case you're wondering how we made this well-edited video, we use Wondershare Filmora. It is a powerful and user-friendly video editing tool designed for both beginners and professionals. With its intuitive interface, users can easily create stunning videos using a wide range of features including drag-and-drop functionality, advanced text editing, and numerous effects and transitions. Filmora also supports 4K editing, screen recording, and various output formats, making it versatile for different projects. Its built-in music library, color grading options, and motion tracking capabilities enhance the creative process. Ideal for YouTubers, content creators, and hobbyists, Filmora simplifies video editing, enabling users to produce high-quality videos with ease and efficiency. Check out the link in the description below to get the best possible offer. Number 3. Improvement of cognitive functions. Nature also plays a critical role in enhancing cognitive functions. Various studies have demonstrated that time spent in natural environments can improve attention, memory, and creativity. For instance, children with ADHD show improvements in attention span after just 20 minutes in a park. The natural environment, free from the overstimulating urban settings, allows the brain to relax and restore its attention capacities. Moreover, being in nature has been shown to improve problem-solving skills and creativity, potentially due to the relaxing effects that enhance higher-order thinking. Number 4. Promotion of physical activity. The encouragement of physical activity is another significant psychological benefit derived from spending time in nature. Natural settings such as parks, trails, and beaches tend to invite individuals to engage in physical activities, including walking, hiking, cycling, and swimming. Regular physical activity is well documented to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, enhance mood, and contribute to the overall sense of well-being. Additionally, the scenic beauty of natural environments can make the exercise experience more enjoyable and satisfying, increasing the likelihood of continuing these healthy behaviors. Number 5. Facilitation of social interaction. Spending time in nature can also facilitate social interactions, which are vital for psychological health. Natural settings often act as social venues where people can meet and interact in a relaxed and informal environment. Activities like picnicking, hiking, or participating in sports in parks provide opportunities for community engagement and social bonding. These interactions can strengthen community ties and provide emotional support, which is crucial for mental health and resilience. Number 6. Restoration of mental energy. Nature has a unique ability to help restore mental energy for those feeling mentally fatigued. The concept of attention restoration theory suggests that natural environments have restorative properties that help replenish depleted cognitive resources. Nature provides a soft fascination, an effortless form of attention that creates feelings of pleasure and diminishes fatigue. This restoration is crucial in today's fast-paced world where cognitive overload is common. Number 7. Enhancement of psychological resilience. Regular exposure to nature helps build psychological resilience against future stressors. Time spent in green spaces can help individuals develop coping strategies and adapt to various life challenges. The calming effect of nature, along with physical activity and social interactions that often accompany outdoor experiences, can foster a sense of confidence and self-efficacy, which are important components of resilience. In conclusion, the psychological benefits of spending time in nature are profound and multifaceted. From stress reduction and mood enhancement to cognitive restoration and social interaction, the advantages of interacting with the natural world are clear. These insights highlight the importance of integrating natural environments into urban planning and lifestyle choices to promote mental health and well-being. As we continue to understand the intricate connections between nature and psychological health, it becomes increasingly essential to preserve and appreciate the natural spaces that provide such significant benefits. Please write us in the comment section down below if you have any life improvement-related topics you would like us to talk about. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help us producing more useful content like this one.